white teeth and black leather. You and I would go good together, babe. And black soul, white feather.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Timileyin Abiyo, and if this is your first time of tuning on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys some apartments in Banana Island, like 2 apartments in Banana Island. Now, so there's no hotel in Banana Island, but they have like guest houses and apartments, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom that you can stay. Probably you want to come for your honeymoon, or you want to go on a vacation, you want to go on a vacation, or you don't want to chill and flex outside your comfort zone, and you still want something very nice and luxurious. Yes, so you can just come to this island and lodge there and just have fun. So today I'll be showing you guys what exactly is inside these 2 apartments, and if you're interested, let me know in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get right straight into today's video. The first apartment is a 2-story building with a penthouse, and it costs about 110,000 naira per night. So in case you have any money that you're not using again and you just want to come and flex, you can come here. It also has a swimming pool for its guests. So if you like swimming, if you love swimming, if you love water, you can actually take advantage of this. This is a 2-bedroom flat, and here is the dining and the sitting room, which is already furnished. Kitchen, though you have to bring your own supplies, your own foodstuffs to the kitchen, but everything made available for you to cook. There's water, there's constant electricity, there's a laundry machine, there's a refrigerator, and there's also gas is available to cook. This is the master bedroom, and it comes with a painting, a wardrobe, and a shelf to arrange your stuffs. And here is the bathroom for you to be able to use. Next is the second bedroom, and this also comes with a free Wi-Fi. There's actually a free Wi-Fi in the house, so this also comes with a free Wi-Fi. So there's internet, there's food, there's water, there's electricity. Just come here and relax and chill and plan and re-strategize and rethink if there's anything you want to do. It's a terrace, like a balcony where you can see the view of the estate, and you can see all other buildings in the estate. One apartment is a 3-story building, which is slightly bigger than the first one, and it costs about 130,000 naira per night also. This living room, which is already fully furnished, and there are paintings on the wall. This is a dining area where you eat and a washing hand basin. Then we move to the kitchen, which is also
hang now, you can rock a fling. How come every day I slave from the crack of dawn, but you act
beautiful. There's a refrigerator and a sink and basically everything you need. This particular kitchen is actually more stock than the other one. You have glassware to use, so you don't need to bring your plate, you don't need to bring your cup, you don't need to bring anything. Just come with your raw food supplies.
You take it home to mom, please. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Beg me and I'll never leave your side, baby. It seems like everybody's looking for eternal bliss. That's what you find when you unbutton my Versace dress. Don't be a pussy and come at me with commitment.
So this is the master bedroom for the apartment. This is very beautiful. You know, there's free Wi-Fi, there's an air conditioner, there's constant electricity, you know. So there's also a TV for you to watch movies and Netflix and YouTube and what have you.
Would you please salute me? Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to mom, please. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Beg me and I'll never leave your side, baby.
I could be your wife, or your life be your wife. Better roll a strike and hold on to me tightly, or I'll break your heart. You will not take it lightly. Now, the revenge of the wife.
I need a man who's gonna propose to me on a
room. This is second room. This particular apartment, which cost 130,000, is actually a 3-bedroom flat. The 110 was actually 2-bedroom flat. So this is second room also, and it actually looks nice. Please, this video is not sponsored by anybody. The third bedroom. So if you're a large family, you can go for this.
You know I'm gifted when it comes to having loyalty. But don't get it twisted, I don't take no from nobody. I know it's so hard to commit with all these chicks around. You act so different with your boys and throw your dick around. Too late to return the ring, and if you can't hang now, you can rock a fling. How come every day I slave from the crack of dawn, but you act so dumb like your brain is off, so don't yawn.
It also comes with a swimming pool and a gym. Alright, so you love swimming, you want to gym in the morning, this also comes with the whole total package.
I'm the one you take it home to mom, please. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Beg me and I'll never leave your side, baby. It seems like everybody's looking for eternal bliss. That's what you find when you unbutton my Versace dress. Don't be a pussy and come at me with commitment. You know I die for you, act like you know what time it is. These hips are a work of art, and if you don't see that, that's do us
Enjoy
part.
this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please like this video and subscribe, and say something down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Will you actually come and lodge in this apartment? Can you afford the money? Is it worth it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I'm the type of girl you call wife.